Guys, my name is Monica Raval and you're watching No Rating Movie Reviews with HD City. Today I'm going to talk about Sadak 2, which is now streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. To remember the joke that did the rounds when the film was announced, that after Highway, it's Sadak time for Alia Bhatt. Well, after watching the film, all I can say is she was better off on the highway because this Sadak turned out to be bit too bumpy with too many potholes. Directed by Mahesh Bhatt, who returned to direction after 20 years, the film stars Alia, Sanjay Dutt, Aditya Roy Kapoor in the lead roles. Given that it's the first time Bhatt was directing his daughter, the expectations were too high, but the half-baked outcome was rather disappointing. It's worse if you've seen the original Sadak because you miss the charm and nostalgia of the good old 90s. I can't move on without mentioning that the soul of Sadak, Pooja Bhatt, was terribly missed in part 2. Though she does appear in portraits and flashbacks, and we get to hear her voice quite often. Nevertheless, one thing is sure that the raging nepotism debate has got nothing to do with the film being good or bad, so the troll army can just relax. Let's take a look at the story. Alia's Arya and Aditya's Vishal are on a run to Mount Kailash and they have hired a taxi driver, Ravi, played by Sanjay Dutt. Then there is Jishu Sen Gupta as Arya's father, Priyanka Bose as her stepmom, Makaran Deshpande as the Guruji. While Arya is on a mission to bust this racket of fake godmen, she puts her own life in danger, and before she realizes who's on her side and who's not, she finds a savior in Ravi. Next 2 hours 13 minutes is all about this road trip turning out to be a revelation for Arya and Vishal, and how Ravi gets the closure he's seeking after he has lost the love of his life, Pooja. So here's what works for us. Sanjay Dutt maintains the innocence of his character that he played in the 1991 film. And with those dreary eyes while he's aging, he's the saving grace in the film, carrying it on his shoulders. Each time the story goes downhill, he lifts it up and holds his own till the very end. Alia Bhatt delivers a decent performance as a rebel 20-year-old, where she maintains their childlike innocence and at the same time puts in force in the scenes wherever needed. Still, it can't be counted among her best performances. While one expected to see chemistry between Alia and Aditya, it is in fact the camaraderie between Sanjay and Alia that I quite liked. Even though they aren't playing father-daughter duo, their bond somehow clicks with you. It will be wrong to compare the film's music with that of the original film, because that was a different era when music took the story forward. But having said that, the songs in Sadak 2 have their own charm and the lyrics stay with you for a long time. Here's what doesn't work for us. To begin with, the script lacks heart and soul. In a bid to introduce twists and turns, the story is at the mercy of a new reveal each time. The first half still keeps you hooked because of the backup stories of characters and the subsequent build-up. The second half just goes downhill until the climax, which is in Bhatt Saab's signature style. Watch it to know what I mean. The screenplay, writing and direction are full of flaws that is hard to overlook. Given that Bhatt Saab has made gems like Naam, Earth, Daddy among others, Sadak 2 comes across as a half-hearted attempt. I found it too dated, still stuck in the 90s kind of filmmaking, which made sense only back then. Then comes Aditya Roy Kapoor, who's been reduced to merely a prop in Sadak 2. I'm waiting for that one film where this actor doesn't play a drug addict. With those good looks and a few sparks with Alia on screen, you still don't get to see him too much in the film. Also, the villains in Sadak 2 I felt were the weakest links. Whether it's Makaran Deshpande struggling to look evil but failing miserably, or the otherwise fantastic Gulshan Grover's character being given a rather funny twist, such laced with mediocrity kind of performances don't look even half as good as Sadashiv Amrapurkar's Maharani in Sadak. So Sadak 2 is a wasted opportunity where even the best of lineup in terms of actors and director could not save a sinking ship. Watch it at your own risk, or maybe for Sanjay Dutt. This is me signing off for now. See you next week with a fresh film. Stay safe.